Good afternoon and Assalamu alaikum to everyone present here. I'm Malik Fateh Iqbal from grade 7th A with my group including Zikra Shakil, Mehersha Sartaj and Tyla Jan. And today we are here and we are going to talk about an interesting topic, that's Pythagorean triple and Pythagorean theorem. How we can find the hypotenuse of a right angular triangle. Ladies and gentlemen, in the world of mathematics, few ideas are as elegant and timeless as Pythagorean theorem. Imagine a right angular triangle whispering a secret of other two powerful relationship has guided architects, astronomers and thinkers for centuries that a square plus b square is equal to c square. Closely tied to this theorem, there is another fascinating concept of Pythagorean triple. These triples were almost magical, turning abstract equations into neat and thinkable numbers. Together, they reveal the harmony and making mathematical not just logical but beautifully interconnected.
Now, I'm going to tell you about applications of Pythagorean triple. First, what is Pythagorean triple? Pythagorean triple is a set of three positive integers, a, b and c, such that a square plus b square is equal to c square. A square plus b square is equal to c square are not just for math classes. It's essential for ensuring detail in the real world. Now, let me explain some most common applications used in Pythagorean triple. First one is construction. We'll just use 3 minus 4 minus 5 rule to ensure that the corners are perfectly square. Second one is navigation. Navigation calculates the shortest distance between 2 points on a map. Third one is architecture. It's used triple to determine the exact length of rope slopes and staircases. Fourth one is graphics. Computer programmers calculate the distance between objects in 3D.
Now I would like to explain a few terms about Pythagorean triple. First one is variables. Variables are named memory locations used to store data values in a program. They can be changed during program execution. Example A equal 5. Here A is variable and 5 is value. Data types. Data types classify the types of value a variable holds, determining the operation that can be performed on it. Keywords. Keywords are reserved words that have special meanings and functions in Python and cannot be used as variable name, function name and any other identifier. The input function. The input function is a built-in function in Python used to get user input from the console. The print function is used to display output on the screen. It shows message, results or values to the user. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Now I am going to explain the code step by step. As from math import square root. Define a math library and call the square root function to the code to calculate the square root of a number. Okay, so it is actually working here. Now it's time to check. So first I will give the value of a as 12. Then I will give the value to variable b as 13. Now it will give us the hypotenuse of the side. You all are believing that computer is boring, but CCS is not. In CCS, we are making many interesting apps like speech to text converter, text to speech converter and triple simulator. This makes us creative and confident. And this is all about our presentation, how we can find a hypotenuse of a right angular triangle. We hope you like it. Thank you so much and happy learning.